A brand is an image a company maintains in the minds of its clients, customers, and prospects. It is created over time with help of engaging and inspiring stories, high quality and meaningful products, and a commitment to delivering an impeccable service. Let's be honest, dealing with low brand awareness is usually the most common and often obvious challenge any marketer is facing. It is a present problem for every brand. Even Coca-Cola spends upwards of $3 billion a year for advertising. The main task for every marketer is to make his brand known, visible, and if possible, outstanding.
What are the questions to ask yourself when you try to address this challenge? What are the limits on how far you're willing to go to make the brand known? What is the image your brand creates when people think about it? Which value do you want them to correlate with your brand? Is your brand only meant for the target audience, or is it meant for the mass market? This is a crucial consideration as it will cause your approach to differ significantly.
Not sure? Well, eventually, just like everything, it will only depend on your product and service. Ask yourself, what do you want people to know about your brand, and start building from there. Let's talk about one of the loudest cases on the market when the brand became known thanks to its augmented reality activation.
Thread by thread, the strands we twist, till they bind us, neck and wrist. Thread by thread, the patient hand must untwine, and free we stand.
The wine company 19 Crimes used AR to tell its unique story of convicts sent to Australia for various crimes.
The spirit of a rogue sustains when the bars of man impede. For no cage can hold that which is boundless, no man stop that which is fated to be.
Someday their hands shall clasp our hand, just over in the morning land.
Some may call me traitor, others hero. But I call myself Michael Harrington, Fenian brother, and part of the Fremantle Six.
While aiming at their younger audience, the brand wanted to highlight its history and idea behind it. They also intended to show that the brand is not pretending sophistication, as most wine brands are at least trying to. They wanted to tell a story which directly influences the brand awareness in such a smart way.
The effect of this AR marketing campaign was impressive. Sales increased 60% and the value of the brand grew by 70% according to Better Retailing. And this is only one of the cases of how augmented and virtual reality could be used to address one of the most common challenges marketers face nowadays.